Science and discovery, brain signals, fast thoughts, slow habits. In the bustling city of Knowledgeville lived a bright and eager girl named Emma. One sunny Monday, she walked into the grand library, known as the Brainarium, ready to embark on another day of learning. Her goal? To understand how her brain worked, especially when it came to thoughts and habits. As she sat down, Emma opened a thick book titled The Mysterious Brain. She learned that the brain sends messages to different parts of our body, allowing us to think, feel, and move. However, she wondered why some thoughts led to quick actions, while others took time to develop into habit. The next day, Emma went to visit the Brainwaves lab. Inside was a large machine called the thoughtometer, which could measure brain activity. She learned that fast thoughts were created by quick and strong signals, while slow habits formed from weaker, repeated signals. Determined to improve her own brain signals, Emma spent the rest of the week practicing different games that challenged her thinking speed. She discovered that focusing and staying present helped her thoughts flow faster, like streams of water rushing through a riverbed. On the following Monday, Emma met with Dr. Thoughtful, an expert on brain signals and habits. She learned that forming good habits was all about repetition and persistence. With this knowledge, she started practicing a new routine of brushing her teeth twice a day. Intrigued by her progress, Emma asked Dr. Thoughtful about why some people find it easier to learn and adapt new skills. He explained that our brains are incredibly adaptable, a process called neuroplasticity. With practice and determination, anyone could develop their brain signals and habits. Feeling inspired, Emma started helping her friends with their own brain challenges. She showed them ways to think faster and form good habits, like practicing mindfulness techniques and creating study routines. One day, Emma realized that she had forgotten an important date for a class project. She felt frustrated and worried that her brain wasn't working properly. Dr. Thoughtful reminded her that everyone forgets things sometimes, but the key was to practice remembering and develop better habits. Determined to overcome this challenge, Emma started practicing memory exercises. She used techniques like mnemonics and visualization to help remember important information. With time and practice, she felt more confident in her abilities. As the due date for the class project approached, Emma presented her work to the class with pride. She had managed to remember all the important details and even added some creative touches that impressed everyone. Her friends cheered, knowing she had conquered her challenge. As the school year came to an end, Emma sat in the Brainarium, reflecting on all she had learned. She realized that practicing her brain, signals and habits had made a huge difference in her life. She knew that with continued effort, there was no limit to what she could achieve. Emma had faced many challenges during her journey, but she never gave up. She learned that the brain was an incredible organ capable of great change. With practice and persistence, anyone could improve their brain signals and habits. As Emma looked around at her friends, she knew they were all capable of amazing things too.